Oh.
This tiny little thing costs at least 6,000 won. It's on a hot trend now in Korea.
Koreans love to consume. Whatever's trending, you'll buy it.
Yeah. But I've never tried it. This is my first time. It's Dubai mochi cookie. Dubai jjondduk cookie. That means chewy sticky.
How is it?
Have you had Dubai chocolate? Just chocolate?
I think so.
I kind of like it. Look at my lips.
That's gross.
No?
That's disgusting.
Why? It tastes like it's pistachio spread and some kind of noodle.
It's like,
fried noodle.
yeah, it's like crunchy and I don't know about that.
I kind of like it. It tastes like crunchy pepperos to me.
Not at all.
No?
No. I taste nothing like a crunchy pepper.
But I don't know about the price of it. It's not that good. I like it, but
It's not worth 6,000 won. No. I'm giving that a 3 out of 10.
3.
It's the texture.
That's why people crazy about it.
I am different than you. That's why I'm not Korean.
I saw online. It's not even Korean food. But funny thing is, I saw online that Dubai people don't know about it or don't eat it.
Really? So it's just a giant marketing scam.
That's successful marketing.
I guess so.
So that's kataifi. Do you know what that is?
I do.
That noodle, people fried it on the butter and mix it with pistachio spread. And on the outside, it's technically marshmallow.
Yeah.
But it tastes like duck outside.
I think we've tried that before. I just like, give me a piece of chocolate. That's all I need.
We're just cookie.
Or cookie. Protein bar. Protein bar is better than that. Whatever protein bar I just had is better than that.
Really?
Yeah. 100 times. It's gross. It's just texture. It's just
I like
chewy and stretchy and dusty and.
Yeah, it's messy. Alright.